Former allies incumbent Manila Mayor Hani Lacuna and former Manila Mayor Isko Moreno Dumagoso exchanged statements as they face a possible battle for the mayoral post of Manila City. Lacuna formalized her re-election bid as mayor of Manila after filing her certificate of candidacy on Thursday, October 3. Before filing her COC, Lacuna and her supporters gathered at the Kartilya ng Katipunan in Manila, where supporters of the incumbent mayor chanted, "Walang magbabalik" or "No one is returning." Asked if she was referring to a particular candidate or thing, Lacuna said after filing her COC that she was merely echoing the sentiments of Manileños. Lacuna was also asked to comment regarding the reported plans of Dumagoso to return as the city's local chief executive. According to Lacuna, the former mayor informed her of his plans to return as mayor of Manila City.
We've talked once po, but we never talked again. Nagpaalam lang po siya na binabalak po niyang tumakbo. Siyempre po, iniisip ko muna ano ho mga kadahilanan kung bakit po siya babalik.
Lacuna adds that before Dumagoso left his post as mayor in 2022, he made it clear to his allies in Manila that he won't be returning to his post. Meanwhile, in response to Lacuna's statements, Dumagoso says he will let residents of Manila to respond to Lacuna, adding that he is in good terms with the incumbent mayor.
Peace be with you. Oh yes, okay naman. Alam mo, siyempre naman, kami sa grupo namin, representa lang namin mga nagawa natin at pwede pang gawin. Particularly sa Tondo.
Lacuna took over as mayor of City of Manila after Dumagoso ran for president in 2022. He emerged in 4th place out of 10 candidates, behind now President Ferdinand Marcos Jr., former Vice President Leni Robredo, and former Senator Manny Pacquiao. Dumagoso served as Manila mayor for one term, winning in the 2019 polls with Lacuna as his running mate. Dumagoso has yet to formalize his bid as Manila mayor for the next elections.